Yes, YouTube, welcome back to another video and thanks for joining me. So in today's video, we're going to carry on with the progression of Bert's new enclosure. We're going to be doing a fully bioactive foam background in his XL Reptibreeze, but I need to put him in something in order to do that. So I bought the Reptibreeze Medium, so a smaller enclosure, but it's only for temporary, and I can also use it for him to be outside in the summer. So that's something that interests you and you want to see how this is built, then check out today's video. Don't go anywhere. That's enough of me waffling on. Let's just get on with it. Okay, so for those of you who've been following the channel, you'll know I've been meaning to upgrade this setup for a while. And this is Bert, my male Panther Chameleon. As you can see, the ficus tree has pretty much died. A few leaves left and is looking very brown. So in the next couple of videos, we're going to be doing a fully bioactive setup. We're doing a foam background and making this tank a lot better for Bert. So if that's something you're interested in, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out any future videos. But I think that's enough on the background of this. And you, Bert. And let's crack on with today's video and get this tank built. Okay, so now we've got that built. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see, you just need to match the letters up and you should be okay. Pretty straightforward, really took about 15 minutes to put together. Only two types of screws. The odd screws are for the hinges there and there, but it shouldn't take you too long if you're not very good at DIY, but pretty straightforward. And as you can see, a decent enclosure. Obviously a lot smaller than what a Panther Chameleon would need full time. Let's just put it next to Bert's. It's like his little baby brother. But he'll be fine in there for the time being and we'll get him out as we normally do. I've got some odd branches there and some fake leaves, just for the time being, just so you've got something to climb over and a bit of security. So why don't we go ahead now and make this and we'll get on with it. What are you doing, Bert? He knows it's for him. What are you doing on the floor? Should we make your new cage? Come on then. Okay, so we managed to add the odd branches in there, which should give him enough climbing space for the time being. As I said, it's only temporary. Did have to secure a couple of the branches with some zip ties. Nothing too strenuous. Need to wrap the side of this now to keep the humidity in. So we'll take the plastic off Bert's current enclosure and we'll get that done now. Okay, so welcome back. So we've managed to get that tank built, set out for birth temporarily, and he's gone into his new enclosure and he seems to be pretty happy. I fed him just now and he was eating fine and he's just generally wandering around being nosy really. So that was a success. So we managed to make a start now on this terrarium. We managed to strip back the plastic. In the next video I'll show you how I'm going to completely waterproof the tank. We'll strip it out and we'll make a start on waterproofing it, and then the exciting bit of actually creating the background, which I know you'll all be excited for. So if now is not a good time to subscribe, I don't know when is, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. For those loyal fans as well, I really appreciate your support. If you can do what you do and drop me that thumbs up, just show YouTube you're enjoying this sort of content, leave me a comment, share with your friends, and show me any support that you can. But I think that's enough for today's video and enough of me waffling on, and I'll see you in the next one.